channel. Welcome. What's up? How you all doing today? It's about after 1 after 2. I'm not sure what the time, but I'm home. I'm just chilling and hungry walks me. I was recording some videos and hungry walks me, so I come look food for eat. So babe took some patties back yesterday. He went on the road and he carried back some cheese patty. So I'm gonna add up the patty them and feed my face because I'm hungry. Right? Them patty I feel tough though, them feet are tough. So these are Jamaican beef cheese patty for those who know how those taste. Yes, that's what I'm gonna feast on right now. I don't know me that say all again. I guess that was the only thing that come out of my mind. But if you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure to go subscribe. Comments down below, like this video, share this video, and all that good stuff. Yeah, I'm doing a little decor in the much more figure this tree. I did a little decor here in the kitchen, and I did a little decor out in hours because we move from in front time microwave when the microwave run too much radiation, and that's not good for me. I did a little extra new update decor in the living room. So I'm gonna show you guys, like showing you what's that really, what all of that. And I did a little something right here, so in the kitchen. So I'm gonna give you one little update, like literally all this whatever I'm showing you guys now, this is not going to be in any official tour or anything at all like that, because you all know I just got a job, and the fact that job is in place, everything that was like in the plan to be purchased at first, all of those will be coming in place. So when the tour comes, hopefully by December, I can give you guys that tour with a little twist to it with the Christmas edition and whatever. So yes, so when that time comes, you guys, I promise you guys that time I will be giving you all an official tour now. But anything I have now in place is not what is going to be in place for the tour when that time comes. So I'm just showing you what I have right here in the kitchen, right? Like I did a little something the other day right here, nothing too festive, like I'm really not sure everything that I want to do here in the kitchen, but I'm showing you what I have. So what I did, like literally I had this tray that I don't really know what I really want to do with it as yet, but I just had some little washcloths in it, and I have a little candle right here that is almost like literally burnt out, but it smells. This candle, it has a what smell is it? It just like rose. I'm not sure. I don't remember what's this, but it's I got this in Bashko. These were like 200 or something. Yeah. What does it smell like? I don't even know. I'm not really sure, but I got that in Bashko. I got this in my favorite store in Linstead. The store they would call Yu. I think the store is called Yu. Should I turn on the flash on the better? I got this in a store called Yu. Like this is such I love this rose gold type of thing. Yeah, and right here I got this plate right here. So this is like a mat, they call it table mat. I just put it up here on the sink. So I got this dish right here in let me get a dish in from Bashko, and then this big huge glass. This is like a huge, but this glass is very big, and I have all the utensils in it. And then behind it around here, this is the oil bottle, a candle, and the paper towel around here. So guys, this is my little issue now. Like, alright, the plate there, feature the plate them like that, like whatever. My issue is that I don't want a dish drainer. I do not want a dish drainer. I'm not sure if at the end I'm gonna eventually get one dish drainer, but I really don't want a dish drainer because I have a dish mat like down here. So I have a dish mat down there. So like when I'm putting stuff to dry, I just put them in a the alright, the patty them down. I just put them in a the dish mat. These are all done. Let's see if them hot. The steam come out of them. Right, let's not steam. It feels hot, it feels okay. Yep. Plug out this because plug it in, can't afford JPS. So as me I say, I don't know if I will. Babe, you want it in a one plate or you just want to put it in a bag? Grizzle! Again. You want to put it in a bag or in a one plate? So, alright, him say one put in a plate. I don't know why I want to put it in, then you can just come to the bag, eat it out of the bag. But anyways, now we have light on. Sorry, but the light are distract me and all that. So yeah, basically what I'm saying is that I'm not sure if more want this drainer. Like really and truly, I don't have enough space to put on this drainer. As you guys can see right here, like the microwave, the sun is the stuff. So I'm gonna put one and then all of this over here. So this is what I have over here. But I don't really touch it in yet, so I'm not really sure. But where am I going to put that dish drainer? Where am I going to put that dish drainer? I don't even know, but yep, patty them done. So I'm just gonna show the patty out on the plate and whatever. I'm gonna show you guys the updates in the living room though. I think I have a little vibe going on in there, so let me take you guys to the living room to show you the living inside here. But inside here is like my favorite part of the house. The lighting kind of body, or the lighting looks so bad. My favorite part of the house. But anyways, let me show you guys really, cause like the decor on the wall. Why am I never come over here for that gonna look so shadowy. Yeah, so inside here is like my favorite part of the house. You guys are gonna see why it's the favorite part of the house. This is really where any little new thing in here, I'm gonna come dash it right in here and try to fix it up away. Reason being, I have a lot of stuff here. Babe, what up me door for? What up me door for? Lucky door, man. We do want to panelize. No, you can't wait. Lucky door. Sure. So yeah, let's stop the rambling. I'm just showing exactly what. Why inside here is the favorite part of the house is because alright, I have some nice painting on the wall. So I have this right here with this is what do you call this? What is name? A deer? I want deer, yeah. With like in nature, and then I'm gonna upgrade these photos. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put there as yet. Probably some different type of photos, but these stuff is gonna stay there. And for the couch, this is the couch. This is how I sit up right now. Yesterday I was telling babe that I need to have like a little orange in it where it kind of look more coming with this, and he was about you don't want to orange whatever, but if I get a little orange then I think it would be more popping more. So as you guys can see up here, I have this. At first I had a white one. I changed the white one because I'm not feel the vibe for the white one. Not sure what I'm gonna do for the Christmas coming, but I have this fluffy who color does this? I have this fluffy white gray thing right here, this throw up on the settee top, whatever couch top, and then I have some pillows just to come in with the painting. Down here I have a gray, not gray, this is like what is nude color rug. And yeah, over this side, right beside the couch, I do have this this mat is going to go, not going to be there forever. We just need to get something to replace that. Over here I have the vase. I have this vase right here with the stick. So this is the view from this side, or you view everything. So yeah, and then over here now we have a pineapple frame, whatever you call this, wall art on the wall right here. So this thing, when mommy came in, mommy was saying that she wouldn't have a pineapple here in the living room, but I really like the vibe of the pineapple because it's like a gray green pineapple vibe. And then this ottoman, this bench, no, it's not ottoman, it's a bench. It's not finished, so it needs to be done. We made this ourselves, so the foot needs to be sprayed. I think I'm going to spray the foot in gold. I was doing it in silver, but changed my mind. Whenever I want a silver, no gray, I want gold. So yeah, and I'm going to do the gold to match with this right here, because this probably might stay here permanently. Don't move it. And make the foot them match and whatever. So guys, when you see the door dirty, the door is not dirty. The issue with the door is that the man paint the door in a white and the door turned out in a ugly color. The door is like a yellow tone color, very ugly, and me say it said the door has some mark on it where I told the landlord that I don't want to see those. Me come and me look now and him just come like he just can one shade of white over it and the color changed to an ugly color. So look right now it look extremely like look on the color different from the wall. It look dirty. So we'd have to change that coming for the Christmas and yeah. From all that now. So over here this wall is blank. What I'm gonna do is either I'm gonna put a mirror right there that come from probably somewhere about up here, so to about somewhere down here a little bit past the couch, and then I'm gonna put two little something beside it to get like one little pop, because I don't want this wall to be continue being bare, right? And then over here where the TV is and audience football manu, he's a Manchester United fan, like I'm gonna put something on the wall like a nice little mirror, something where they're wearing now, missy and whatever, and yeah, below the TV there's a stand, that stand, because that stand is not gonna be there permanently. That stand I gonna leave, like exit the house so that is just not a full on permanent thing. But this is a view of the living area from the back behind me, and as I said, this is like my favorite part of the house. I know you guys have been wondering when is the house story gonna come, but it needed funds, and now that we are both employed and all of that, then yeah, so stop the chatting now. I'm gonna eat my party and then probably maybe party me come back and say something back to you. I don't know. So I'm in guest room slash beauty room slash whatever room I'm gonna call it. Me and my party here, so whatever. This is where I record my videos. And yeah, party hot though. Yeah, ever like when I ever see them meme or whatever and them say you're not Jamaican if you don't eat patty and uncle not cool remember, but obviously patty never eat, so my mom ever make him not the way all, you know, never a cup the way all we don't normally go and whatever, so that never really hot. But the mother said the beef now bun, you typical but you have probably not tried a real Jamaican patty, or you're not Jamaican or whatever. So the patty a little bit at a while ago. But anyways, people, like been feeling like way different, like better since I got a job. This cheese patty, like the cheese in there. I feel good now. But no, I said I'll be getting money in my bank account, like I'm not feel offense to what I feel like, you know. Which I won't be stop fencing for money and whatever. I'm always a hustler, A1 hustler, Day1 hustler, forever hustler. My extra money there. But I won't just depend on one income to come in and let me feel whatever. Because even though I live with somebody, I share whatever, it's much easier for me. Like it's easier for me to do a lot of stuff without being worrying about, like, you know, if I can afford it or whatever, because As you guys know, I live with my boyfriend, huh? Okay, much easier. For everything, expenses are shared. To be honest, sometimes I would tell somebody if you can't manage it, don't rush into it. But if you have someone and you see where you guys are going to make it and whatever, I mean, do what you gotta do. Because things won't be hard on you like that. Once if the person works with somebody and they're work, things would be shared and on, you know, like whatever. So that's what I would say. I probably wouldn't be living somewhere paying rent if it was me alone. If I had to be paying rent by myself, then I would not be here. Unless I have money. Like, honestly, unless I have money. Where if I pay my home rent, it doesn't shake my pocket. I can't come. I'm not figuring out to cut certain expenses that is not important. Because to be honest with you, some persons really don't know how to not purchase things that are not important. You see me? I'm a spending freak. If I want something for the house, I'm going to get it for the house. If I want something for myself, once I have the money, I'm going to get it for myself. But you still can do a spending thing that are like budget, and you can budget. Because I do budget. Especially from the supermarket. I don't try to live a life that I can afford, because I chose to not live at home. I chose to pay rent because I have a home that I can go to, or didn't have a home you can go to. We chose to do this as adults. Like, this is what we want to do. And if this is something that you're going to do and you want to do, I'll just say, make sure you know how to live with certain situations that comes your way. Make sure you know how to deal with some things. You can't spend. Just like how for me, I love like real nice expensive food. To be honest, when I work and I eat nice expensive food, you get me? So you have to just know how to budget, because it's not every time I go to the supermarket with a big shrimp, big this, big that, whatever, what. No. I mean, I need little cheap something either. But I do eat stuff that I know is in my budget. Like, yo, this party tastes good. So now if you just know for you. When it comes down to food, I go to this market, I bill is like sometimes $13,000. Sometimes less, depends on what we buy. But what is less are even that food that lasts for like 3 weeks. You don't want that when I go to the supermarket, and the money we don't have. We just don't need nothing. About Last time we took some money was about 3 weeks ago, almost 1 month now. And the pantry just a get empty. Just a empty. Pantry just a empty. And let me tell the pantry that the pantry cut off in 3 different parts. We're at home here. Up at the top we store like snacks, because we need whatever snacks that we like to put in. Bread and whatever. That's the part that's been empty. See the part we have the tin food then? Only thing we still lock up is our sardine. But we have whatever tin can, sardine, no, one sardine there, mackerel, tin milk, all them something there full up. So we're going to go purchase them or something there. So we have to just know how to spend. You can't want to live big life and you can't afford it. You understand? Oh, sorry. The patty finished, so I'm just gonna wash it down with some water. So anyways, people, that's what's up. That's what's good. This isn't really a long thing. Just did like a little bit. That was like a little mukbang. Beef patty, Jamaican beef patty mukbang. And whatever. So, you know, remember in there one tidy about the people. Every day I say I tidy it up. Oh, we can do it tomorrow. I want to be done. No, you know what? Tidy up. Anyways, people, take care of yourself. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this video. Telling you guys that every single day you guys be getting a video. I have a mark to meet where I have to reach my threshold by then. So I am just working hard for me, you, and everybody. I do love YouTube. I never love YouTube, but I quit long time. I love YouTube. I just like whether me I benefit from it or not. The whole idea of just seeing my content out there, I'm super happy. Anyways, so I'm gonna end this video. Patty sweet. But chat too much. Bye, people. Big up on yourself. Bye. Love. Bye. Subscribe. Like. Share. Follow all social. Bye, y'all.